Hi guys, I'm eating my breakfast for school, and I'm now to seeing the list who I love. It's gonna probably be my baby sister. It's probably gonna be my baby sister because she loves me and she loves Mommy. What are you doing? Indy, sit here.
Hear me out, watch out.
She likes it.
Okay. No.
And guess what? We are wearing the same color.
Matchy.
Matchy. What?
Sus, ang hirap. Ayaw magpababa. Paano na lang kapag araw-araw na si ate sa school? Ano na lang, be?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, one that you made.
Once you finish, you can give that to her.
Okay. I will be back in a second. I will come back. Okay.
Actually, go to the toilet, Ayla. Hello! Gusto mo lang umat-ngat eh. Yes? Yummy? Yummy snacks na? Yum.
Hey.
Yes! Yeah? Come on, Ayla, change your clothes.
Yeah, wearing a headband.
Oh my God!
Yummy. Yeah, wearing a headband. It is so yummy. Yeah, wearing a headband.
You like
It
it?
is so yummy.
You look kidding.
Yeah, wearing a headband.
Karaag na na akong
So
hindi.
yummy. You're wearing a headband. It tastes so yummy. You're wearing a headband.
What's Ate doing?
So yummy.
She loves the headband. Thank you,
You're
Ate.
wearing a headband.
Alright, let's do your hair, Ayla.
What?
Dito na siya, guys. Ayaw niya talaga magpababa. Dapat, ano lang talaga kami. What do you want? Ano gusto mo? Which one? Do you want this one? Try that one. Uh-oh. Don't drop it. Ay! Yoy! Yeah, sige. We're just getting ready. Ang aga pa, guys. It's only 8:51. Ready na ako. Before ako bumaba kanina, nagbihis na ako eh. Tapos ngayon, ready na yung mukha ko, yung mga bata na lang. Si kuya kasi nag-text kahapon, sabi niya alas 9 daw siya pupunta. Sabi ko, ang aga naman ng alas 9. And tinry namin i-workout yung ibang schedule. Hindi ako pwede Sabado. Kasi prefer namin na wala kami sa bahay kapag naglilinis siya. Sabado, nandito ako sa bahay kasi merong ano si Dan, may work ganap si Dan bukas. So, nandito lang ako sa bahay with the 3 kids. Yeah, Sunday hindi din pwede kasi may lakad din ako Sunday. So, sabi ko, sige po, punta ka na lang ng alas 9 bukas. Tapos kanina, like, nagre-ready ako kay Ayla. Sabi niya, napakiusapan ko yung ibang kliyente ko na magiging late ako. So, I'll be there at 9:30. So, we have almost 30 minutes left. But I'm ready. Kailangan ko na lang bihisan to. Can you pull now? Or do you wanna pull later sa sports ni Kuya? Oh, bubbers. Later ka na mag-pull sa sports ni Koy Koy. Last Friday, nagpo siya sa bahay tapos nagpo ulit siya dun, guys. So, nakamiss si Arlo ng mga 10 minutes habang binibihisan ko siya kasi kailangan ko isama si Arlo sa, sa parents room para bihisan to. No? So, namiss ni Kuya yung warm up na 10 minutes. Tanggalin na natin to. Baba naman to na. Hello. Hey? You're gonna be okay later. And I was hoping na magte-text sa akin yung Big W kasi nag-order ako sa kanila kagabi ng pang click and collect. Yung mga ilalagay ko guys sa box. Medyo nahirapan ako dun kasi wala akong enough time na maglabas-labas and mag-check. Tapos ang dami pang sizes. Hindi ko naman kailangan gawin. Wala eh. Pinili natin gawin to sa sarili natin eh. Tinanong ko yung mga sizes ng mga anak ng pinsan ko. Anong mga size nyo? Tapos ang hirap pala. Ang hirap pala i-accumulate lahat. Buti sana kapag nandun ka, nandun na yung gusto mo, nandun na yung size. Alam mo yun, wala eh. Nagpunta nga tayo ng outlet, diba? Ilang sapatos lang nabili ko dun. 2 lang. So kahapon nag-online order na lang ako kasi inisip ko kapag pumunta ako ng shop tapos maghanap ako nitong mga to, madaming mga sizes. Hindi ko alam kung makukuha ko siya lahat. So, at least kagabi, in-order ko na lang siya from the shop na available lahat ng size. Kahit nga hindi na yun yung like first option ko na sapatos. And then, wala akong time na pumunta ng multiple shops. I have 2 kids with me today. Tapos ako pa mag-pick up kay Ayla mamayang hapon. So, hindi pa nagte-text sa akin yung Big W na available na. So, baka after sports. Kung hindi talaga sila mag-text after sports, uwi na lang kami diretso. Tapos, maya na lang after ng ni Ayla. After ko i-pick up si Ayla. So, yung sa lips ko, nilagay ko yung Romand na Vintage Ocean. Romand na lasting water tint Vintage Ocean yung nilagay ko sa lips ko ngayon. Oh! That reminds me. Yes Style is doing a 25% discount for all Heave Blue products. Yun ba yung pronunciation nun? Heave Blue or Heavy Blue? And yung viral na PDRN toner and the PDRN cream is currently 40% off. 40% off guys sa Yes Style. So if you use that product or if you wanna try that product, check Yes Style because it's currently on big discounts at the moment. And meron pa kayong 10% off kapag ginamit niyo yung aking code, RAZEL10. That's gonna be on top of that discount. Kasi yan, hindi mo na kailangan ng code niyan eh. It's automatically 40% off for the PDRN toner and cream. Tapos 25% off sa lahat ng Heavy Blue product. So kapag umabot ng 49 USD, which is again, ang mahal na ng bilihin ngayon, hindi na yan ganun kadami yung 49 USD. Pag umabot ng 49 USD ang inyong mga na-check out, you can use my code. You will get 10% off if you use RAZEL10. Ayan na. Ayaw na niya. So, check out Yes Style. And that's ongoing from 10th of June hanggang 17th of June. So, 1 week siya guys na discounted yung mga products na yan. So, 10th of June hanggang 17th of June. Peekaboo! Let me see. Oh no, let me see. Peekaboo! Peekaboo birds! Bisa na ba kita? Kasi baka magpuka eh. Bibisa na naman kita. Unahin natin si Kuya. Ang hirap. Ayaw niya talaga magpababa. Uy, ano na? Tapos she's very uncomfortable. I know. Hello. Ay, hindi siya mapakali. Oh. Takalang. Pluk, pluk. Takalang. Pluk, pluk. Sus, kahomot. Hala, kahumot kung ano akong hindi, God. Hala, bossy girl.
What?
She's getting big.
Yeah, boom, boom.
She is getting big.
Mommy, this mommy?
Okay, wait.
I went boom, boom, ow. I hurt myself, Mama.
You hurt yourself?
Yeah, on the head. Let me see. Boom, boom.
Come on, Kuya's gonna be here soon.
What? Yeah, on the shoulder?
Shoulder, yes.
On the neck, Mommy? On the neck too?
Neck, yep.
This neck?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This shoulder?
Yep.
This neck?
Yep.
This neck?
Come on. Good
This
boy.
head, Mommy?
Head. You're gonna run really fast like that, and how are you gonna catch the ball?
And try to go this stuff.
Oh,
It's right there.
Oh, no.
And I ball.
No, are you okay?
I got ball. I got a ball, Mommy.
You catch the ball?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
What ball?
I got stars. I see
Stars?
stars.
Let me see stars. Yeah, you do that on the hand?
Yeah, like that.
Why? Like that? You don't drive?
I can drive. Oh, nice.
Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Mom's this.
Oh, yeah. Watch out for the camera. You're okay now. You just want to lay
Look
down.
at that,
Do
Mommy.
you get some
What are
sleepy?
you for?
I know. What happened? Did Indy scratch you or you scratch yourself?
Yeah, I did on my nose.
Yeah. You did that?
Yeah, I shat it and did it. And it's bleeding.
It's bleeding a little bit.
It's a, I need a band-aid.
Nah, don't put a band-aid on your nose. That's fine.
No, it's a boo-boo.
It's a boo-boo.
Yes.
Okay.
It's a red film.
It is a red thing, yes. Kuya's here. Let's open up the door for Kuya.
No, I have it.
Yeah.
Good timing.
Oh,
Hello.
it's cold out there.
Here it is, yeah.
Yeah. And it's wet too. Oh,
She
no.
looks like Anna.
I know, she looks like Ayla, doesn't she?
Hey, same,
Yeah.
exactly same.
I know, my girls look the same. They look like their daddies.
Oh, I see, that's
And
great.
then this one is mine. Yeah, so I changed his sport schedule at 10:30. So every Friday we have 10:30 for him.
That's why.
So see, Mama.
Who's silly?
You're saying.
Me?
Yeah. Yeah.
What did I do?
Nothing.
Nothing, exactly. It's cold and it's wet. Ang aga pa guys, I don't know where we are going. Should we go to the shops now?
Yeah.
Or just go to sports and wait there? I don't know. I don't know.
the sport.
You wanna go to sports and just wait there?
Yeah.
Yeah? No, because it's wet, no?
It's only rain, Mama.
I know.
There's a big spider over there, Mama.
Where?
There.
You see a big spider?
Yeah, the brown thing.
Brown thing? Oh wow. Alo ready?
Yeah.
Indy ready?
Yeah.
Mommy ready?
Yeah.
Everyone ready?
Yeah.
Hindi pa nagte-text ang Big W.
Okay, Mommy.
Gusto ko mag-text na
Mommy.
sila para
Mommy, got my backpack.
after sports i-pick up
Mommy,
ko
got my
na.
backpack, Mama.
I got your backpack, yes. Thanks for reminding me. I got your lunchbox. Got your water. I got Indy's food. Yong yong. Yong yong. Is Indy gonna sleep or no gonna sleep? Sobrang aga natin. She is talking. Alright. Ay, iniisip ko, dami kong gagawin. Oh, did she say she loves me? Thank you, Indy. I love you too.
Eddie can do this.
Oh, yeah, I know. She's really good at doing that.
He actually he does pretty weird.
Yeah, I know.
see you, Mama.
You silly Alo.
Yeah. I'm doing that too.
Oh my gosh, it is officially winter. It's wet and it's cold. And this car is really good sa winter because the steering wheel heats up. So I get heated steering wheel, heated seats. Yung row nila Arlo, heated din actually yan. Kaya lang, hindi nila mafe-feel kasi naka-car seat sila. But that's nice and heated as well, the back. It's really good.
Mommy?
Yeah, sarap mag-hot chocolate. Yes? Double XL. There's a lining. Hiding my way home. I still remember. I will forever. Backseat secrets we will never tell. I miss you, double XL. Miss Americana. Double XL. Still remember, I will forever. Backseat secrets we will never tell. I miss you, double XL. Miss Americana. And all my friends love ya. Black patio at the Barry Hotel. I miss you, double XL. Ooh. Tokyo, Mexico. Well done. Step. Well done. Good job. Ready? Run. Yay! Yeah. Well done, mate. And squash it. Oh, well done, Alo. And Indy. Good job, mate. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's so cold. It's freezing. As in, sobrang lamig. Ay, hindi enough yung suot ko. Sobrang lamig talaga. Maikli lang yung walk namin ha kasi malapit yung naparkingan ko. But still very cold. Hindi pa talaga ready yung order ko, guys. Still finalizing order. So we will just go home and maybe we will pick it up after natin i-pick up si Ate Ayla mamaya. Hi, good luck. I'm busy. Yeah, we will go. Oh my gosh. No. Sana before natin i-pick up si Ayla. So they played rugby today. And Arlo loved it. So last week they did hockey. He loved that as well. Ang galing niya sa hockey actually. But only 1 week yung hockey. Usually kasi 2 weeks eh. Baka nagkulang sila tapos yung hockey yung inikli nila. So next week, rugby ulit. Look ahead, Alo.
Yes, that's better.
Well done, Alo.
Yes, that's better, Mommy.
You got it. You're so good at this game.
I have 3 points.
You got 3 points. Yes, you do actually. Well done.
4 points.
4 points? Already?
Yes, I won. All cards I won.
Wow. Seriously?
Yes, that's better.
That's green, mate.
It's not green.
Yes, it is.
I see it over there, far away.
Guys, it is 12. Mga 15 minutes ago, nag-text ang Big W na ready na to pick up. So, inisip ko, so sana dumiretso na lang ako dun. But, that's okay. We will go, after ko mag-lunch, we will go. Inisip ko kasi, kailangan kong pumunta dun before ko pick up si Ayla kasi ayokong 3 bata yung dala-dala ko. Tapos, meron pang isang shoes na hindi daw available. Available siya kagabi, but nung pinak na nila yung order, siguro hindi na siya available. So, baka magtingin pa ako ng isa para makumpleto. Nakakaloka. Let's have some lunch. Meron akong leftover na fried rice na ang sarap-sarap. But I also baked this yesterday. Binake ko yung apple pies, mini apple pies yesterday. It's actually really good. Madami ito guys. Ang daming kinain na dan. But it's really good. It's just puff pastry tapos yung apples nasa loob. Meron akong konting fried rice na tira. At saka 2 boiled eggs. Initin ko lang to. Our house is very clean. I love it. Oh my gosh, ang bango! There you go. That's my fried rice. Nilagyan ko siya nung beef tapa. Nilagyan ko siya nito guys. And ang sarap niya. Gusto-gusto din ng kids. Tapos nilagyan ko din ng eggs. Tapos maraming garlic. Ang sarap, in fairness, ng aking fried rice. I'll open that for you. Then may eggs din tayo. Nilagay ko lang sa microwave saglit kasi nasa fridge to. Ang lamig. Pwede naman sana hindi ilagay sa fridge yung fried rice. Kaya lang, naglinis kasi si kuya. So, syempre, cleaner ko yung bahay. So, iniisip ko, drive to TTP ilang minutes. Sabihin na lang natin 20. Kasi dapat 2:30 alis na ako doon. Sarap ng pagkaluto ko din ng aking itlog kagabi. Gooey yung yolk. Ang sarap mag hot chocolate ngayon. Yung hot talaga na, yung masarap talaga na hot chocolate. Daming tumatakbo sa isip ko guys. Niisip ko saan ako magpa-park. Kasi sa Big W nga yung order ko. Daming tumatakbo sa isip ko while nagpipil ako ng itlog. Ooh, yum! Look at that! Oh my gosh, this is such a good lunch.
Daddy ready?
Daddy ready?
Yeah.
Alo ready?
Yeah.
Indy ready?
Yeah.
Mommy ready?
Yeah.
Everyone ready?
Yeah.
Let's go! Alright guys, heading out again. So we're going to T3 Plaza. We will be there 20 minutes. Sabihin natin 20 minutes yung drive. Yeah. Basta dapat 2:30 umalis na ako ng T3 Plaza. Para i-pick up si ate. So it's 12:34 right now. Yep. Oh, good enough. So nagpalit ako ng jacket kasi wala, ang lamig talaga kanina. Tapos si Arlo, okay na yan siya, maganda yung jacket niya. Si Indy, nagdala ako ng extra blanket for her. Though yung suot niya din naman is extra makapal yan. You guys, kakarating lang namin and pagka-park ko, bumuhos yung sobrang lakas na ulan. I'm not sure if you can see but it's raining really hard. But yeah, nandito kami sa covered car park, which is really good. We're lucky. And malapit lang din to sa Big W. Big W agad. So pag akyat namin Big W agad. Tapos meron pang elevator. So perfect. Huh?
The eyeball there.
The eyeball is there?
Yes, up there.
Oh wow.
Let's do that.
Oh my gosh. Is this the best toy ever?
And this toy. It's a dumb box. We're gonna open it.
Yeah, we have to pay for it first. You know that? Yeah. Good job. Tingin-tingin muna kami. Naghahanap ko ng tray. Baka naman mahanap ko dito yung tray. Mahaba pa yung oras natin. Buyag-buyag.
Mommy.
Oh,
Tell your mommy.
awa?
This, mommy, tell your mommy.
A dino?
No, I don't. It's just a dinosaur.
Yeah, I know. That's a dinosaur there. Saan ba yung mga tray nila? Meron ako nakita online maganda. Hindi ko lang alam kung gaano kalaki. Did you drive? Guys, I drove mommy's car. Charlang! Charlang! Dito na kami sa labas ng school ni Ate Ayla. Ang aga-aga namin, guys. Kuya sleeping. Hindi sa awake, so nilabas ko muna siya sa kanyang car seat kasi kanina pa siya nakaupo dun. Ay, apakaaga namin. OA sa aga. Bumili ako ng hot chocolate. Tapos may pa-combo sila dun sa Krispy Kreme na 2 donuts and a hot chocolate for like $10. Guys, it's late. It's 5:17 na ng gabi. And hindi ko alam kung bakit ko to ginagawa sa aking self. Bakit ka nag-add ng isang box? Nakakaloka. Bukas na to kailangan isend and ay, napadeclutter na naman ako ng mga bags. So I went through my closet and got rid of some bags and then meron ding mga bag na gustong i-give away si Ayla. So we have these here. So we have these for the kids there. And ang daming bags ni Ayla actually, but she doesn't want to give away some of it yet. And that's okay. Sa kanya naman yun. I've got some bags here na brand new, hindi pa nagamit. May mga tags pa, guys. So, bigay natin to sa mga pinsan ko. More bags there. And more bags here. There. And this one, I really like actually. I'm tempting to keep this one. Sa lahat, ito ata yung pinakamura, but ito yung pinakagusto ko. Yung tote bag na ano, yung very magaan lang, tapos yung slouchy, mas gusto ko kasi yung ganyan kasi sa structured na mga bags. And I got this from Zara a long time ago. Obviously, the tag is still there. But I don't really use a tote bag. But it's nice, oh. Parang ang ganda niya. So, inisip ko, gusto ko siya, baka ibigay ko siya kay Ran. Ganyan lang yung loob niya. Parang ang ganda niya, diba? And yeah, na-pick up ko na pala yung mga nabili natin sa Big W. Bukas ko na yun i-haul, guys. Kasi nag-transfer ako ng files. And ang haba na nitong vlog na to. Yeah, bukas ko na yun i-haul. Kasi bukas ko na siya ilalagay sa box. Meron na nga yung laman eh. Nilagay ko yung isa sa mga, ano namin, blow-up bed. So, may air mattress na dyan isa. And may bag na din pala dito. So, kapag humala kami ng fan bag, meron na silang additional bag. We don't use this bag anymore. But this is a nice bag. Just like a travel duffel bag. So that's for the fan bag. And then meron pa ako marami under the stairs. Yes, bukas na lang. Kasi 5:20 na, I need to prepare dinner for the family.
Mommy.
Yes?
Two little love hearts in this one, but a bit smaller.
So smaller love hearts.
No, this one. This one.
How many?
2.
So one here, one here?
Yeah.
How small? Like that?
That's small.
Okay.
That's small, actually.
1. 2.
Thank you.
You're welcome, baby. Here. Ay, my gosh, guys. Binili ko din pala to. So, duman ako ng Target kanina. Hindi na ako naka-vlog ng ayos sa mall kasi may dala-dala akong hot chocolate tapos isang pram. So, wala na akong extra hand to vlog kasi hot chocolate is life. I got this. So, ito na yung tray na pinili ko. This is from Target, but it's an Anko brand. Is it? Yeah. Yeah, kasi isa na kasi yung may-ari ng Target at ano ngayon, Kmart. So, may mga items na sa Kmart na nasa Target na. So, ilalagay ko dun sa, ano ko, makeup area ko pag lalagyan ko ng aking mga perfume. Kasi konti na lang yung perfume natin. And gamit pa ako ng gamit, so kukunti ko siya ng kukunti. That's the only thing na additional na binili ko kanina. At saka yung dinosaur ni Arlo. Yeah. At saka nakahanap din pala ako ng additional sapatos. So, kompleto na yung sapatos ng mga pamangkin ko.